in our daily life, like we are facing many issues or many challenges or many difficulties. Actually, engineering means finding solutions for all these problems with the help of science and technology. So the statement is very clear. In our daily life, we are facing many issues and we are making our life more comfortable with engineering. In every field, we can see engineering. Actually, the quantity of air what we are taking, or about the automobiles, bridges, and in every sector or in every aspects, we can see the magic of engineering. Suppose a bridge, the load it can withstand, it's engineering. And if any issues with that designed load, then definitely it will create a huge impact. So that's about the basic intro about engineering. And coming to today's session, we have Dr. Gomathi here. She is principal of Study World College of Engineering. She got 25 years of experience in the field. Also, she is ME rank holder. And we are very much honored to welcome here ma'am to in this webinar. Welcome, ma'am. Then we have HODs, Dr. K. Pranesh. He's bachelor degree in electrical and electronics engineering from Anna University. Then we have Mr. Ganesh. Yes, he got 16 years of teaching experience, and he is such a pioneer in this field. And we have Mr. Manohar sir. He is actually the administrative officer of the Study World. And we have here Vidya. She is admission wing head. And let me introduce myself. Actually, it's at the beginning. I must do that. Anyhow, I'm Abdul Salim. I'm supporting the admission team of Study World. And we have Mr. Sultan here. He's also an brand support professional here. Like the way we have many audience, 35 number of participants here. So let me welcome all, each one to this webinar, and wish you all the very best. And definitely this webinar will be a fruitful one, and we get many takeaways at the end of this webinar. Definitely more surprises also here to come. Like we must, or we people are giving more importance for quality of education, like health and all. So we don't compromise in the quality of education. And what we are here is like providing the best quality. And we have sessions from many eminent personalities here. So first of all, for the first session, I invite Dr. P. Gomathi, principal of Study World College, for the presentation. What is engineering as gateway to endless opportunities? So, ma'am, now it's your time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, perfect.
My screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, yes, exactly. Everything is okay.
First, I must thank my management, Dr. Vidya Vinod and Manoharan sir, for giving such an opportunity. And I have to thank Mr. Sultan and Mr. Salim for supporting me in all the aspects of initiating such kind of things. Originally, as an administrator, I have to say I am also an engineer. So I know what are all the possibilities for an engineer. Right from administrative task to an entrepreneur, we can enter into any kind of job. So that is the power of engineering. So that is what I plan to give some inputs to the student community. Maybe some of the participants may be already undergoing your engineering degree, or some of you people are planning for engineering. Engineering is a gateway to endless opportunities. Right from title itself, you can have the meaning out of it. What is in the engineering? So engineering means design, develop, and produce. So this is the key points and key Vedas of an engineering. So whatever the problem you are looking around of you, you can design a solution for that. And for that solution, you can develop a model and you can produce it. You can manufacture it. We are all living in a sophisticated environment. So not like as 50 years back. Now, even I can say before COVID and after COVID also. Now everyone are able to get all kinds of technologies in our hands. So these are all because of engineering. So anyone is having their mind as why I have to have such kind of problem. Can I solve it? If they are thinking about, they are designing a solution, they are developing it, and if they are capable, they are producing a solution, producing a gadget for us, and we are enjoying that environment with a sophisticated nature. Okay, why I have to become an engineer? So as shown in the slide, we engineers are problem solvers. So kindly pardon me, even though I am an administrator, I am very much proud to introduce myself as an engineer. So I myself has called as problem solver. We are using all the available technology to solve the problem in and around us. So we are more creative and we are having good academic skills also. We are capable of dealing with all kinds of mathematics, science, and how to use computers. So even as a student, you may think of why we are studying addition, subtraction, such kind of transformation. Even in engineering, we are having Laplace transform, Fourier series, and in science, so many concepts we are studying. But as a school student, they don't know why we are studying and what we are going to do with it. But once they are entering into engineering, they will realize that this is the purpose. This is the purpose why we have studied all these subjects right from first standard onwards. So we are all capable of solving all kinds of problems with the kind of physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Using these subjects, we are solving them. And it is very important to note that even though the tasks are very different, many methods are used. So for a single problem, depending upon their creativity, that is what in my second point I mentioned it as we are depending on creativity. We can give the solution. So which solution is a better one? The customer will automatically select our things. So why I have to become an engineer? The first and foremost thing I can say is job satisfaction. Whatever I want, I can do. I'm having the enough skill and I can have my own job satisfaction. There are so many opportunities for an engineer. In the future slide, after 2 to 3 slides after this, I'll be explaining what are the opportunities for an engineer. And next one is a challenging work. Life la vandu kandipa we need some thrilling. If any challenge is coming in front of us, we are supposed to accept the challenge. So it's a challenging environment we can get out of an engineer environment. So we are all having intellectual development. And foremost thing is we are going to have some benefit with the society. We are all having an opportunity to serve the society. And we have our own creativity and we know and we understand that how the things are working. What is an engineering process? We are identifying a problem and we are defining it, we are analyzing it, and then we are proposing some solution, and based on the solution, we will be selecting a design with a preferred solution. Finally, we are going to implement it. So this is what an engineering process is. Repeatedly, I'm telling the same. As an engineer, if you want to give some solution, you have to first identify a problem. You have to analyze it. What is the level of problem? What kind of solution could be? So based on your creativity, suppose if 3 engineers are working for the same problem, we may get 3 different kinds of solution. And according to the affordability nature, we will select one design and we will try to implement it. And this engineering prepares you to become a responsible human being. And another one is we will be having some corporate careers also. We can go with entrepreneurship, research, or getting into government service also. So these are all the different kinds of engineering. You might have heard about power engineering, control system engineer, software engineer, electrical engineer, electronic engineer, structural engineer, environmental engineer, geotechnical engineer. All the people, those who are working under these fields are called as engineers because they are providing solution for the problem. So now let me enter into the main part of the presentation. What are the career opportunities for an engineering graduates? Suppose let me assume that you people are entering into your engineering and you are pursuing your degree for 4 years of time span. After the 4 years, what are all the opportunities in between the society and you people? So these are all the things I want to discuss with all of you. First one is either you can go with job. The job in the sense government sector or private sector. No, I don't want to go for job. Yet I want to improve my skill set. Yes, you can go. You can go with your higher studies. And that higher studies is also optional in front of you. Either you can go with technical or management or science courses. And that too, you can pursue your higher studies either in India or in abroad. Okay, no. I want to proceed my research work because I'm interested to solve the problems. So I don't want to go with the job. I don't want to go with the higher studies. Yes, there is a provision you can get into research. And finally, if all these things are ruled out, you can enter into entrepreneurship or startup. Let me explain one by one. Opportunities are jobs, entrepreneurship, research and all. Okay, let us start with jobs. As I told you, two different kinds of people are in our society. As a parent, what you people will be thinking of, yes, if my son or daughter is settled with a government job, their life is almost settled. Am I right or wrong? Definitely, it's a secured job. Obviously, every month on the day of the salary, you will be crediting, they will be crediting the salary in your account. There is no doubt. Your job is secured till you are 58 years, maybe 60 years, whatever is the defined age, your job is secured. Yes, if you are interested for that, for an engineer, these are all the possibilities. You can go with these kind of examinations and you can get into government jobs. Or no, I want to prove my skills. I don't want to be in the line. For example, if you are getting into government job, on the seniority basis, you will be getting promotions. Whether you are working or not, you will be getting. At the same time, if you are good in your work, even then also, according to the seniority, you will be getting the promotion. Whereas in private, it is not like that. Your capability, your potential is very much appreciated in a private organization. If you are such a kind of person, you can go with private job, either with the corporates or MSMEs. There are so many things available. And let me elaborate this government job. More secured and paid on time. This is what government job, which the society is thinking of. And as a parent, everyone is having the mindset only. Right from electricity boards. In all the states, we are having electricity boards. This PWD, Pollution Control Department, BSNL, etc. So many things are available. For all the things, they will be conducting their own state board examination, for which you have to appear for it. You have to get into good technical preparation for these kind of examinations. This aptitude kind of preparation is least priority. You must be strong in your core technical. For example, if you want to enter into electricity board, you as an electrical EEE engineer, you can undergo this exam. You have to well prepare for this EEE electrical and electronic subjects. For a public works department means you have to be thorough, you should be a civil engineer. You can go with preparation of core civil engineering. You have to undergo this examination. If you are selected, you will be given job with PWD. Likewise, BSNL, mostly electrical, electronics and communication students are preferred. Nowadays, computer science students are also having equal opportunity in BSNL. Anyway, for all these kinds of entry points, you need to clear examination. And second one is public sector undertakings, normally called as PSUs. What are all these? All the oil agencies, natural gas agencies, say Steel Plant, Steel Authority of India Limited, BHEL, so many private limited companies are also coming under this public sector undertakings. Almost these are all approved places. If you are entering into, this is more than a government, almost run by government and all. So for these also, they are having a specific entrance examination. And one point I want to represent here about is GATE, GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. That is an all over India exam. Right from your third year of engineering, you are eligible to appear for this exam. If you have good score in that, you can directly apply for these kind of organizations. Based on your GATE score, you can either into ME kind of course, or you can get into all kinds of PSUs. All PSUs are accepting the GATE score. If your score is good, you will be directly called for interview and you can get into PSUs. Next one is public sector banks. Yes, as an engineer, we have enough opportunity in banking sector also. Because even while studying itself, we have been given with all kinds of training, right from technical to administration. So more engineers are nowadays opting with banking sector. There also we have enough opportunities, and you might know, for example, if I want to get a house, if I'm applying for a housing loan, an engineer will be valuing your property. Then only your loan will be sanctioned. Even with the State Bank of India or any bank, for each and every bank, one valuation engineer will be there. If it is structural kind of things, a civil engineer will be evaluating. If it is machinery kind of thing, mechanical engineer will be evaluating. If it is electrical kind of thing, electrical engineer will be. Those engineers are certified engineers. For that, even for I am a triple person, electrical electronics background, I can assure that energy sector is booming. If I am a qualified energy auditor, I'm able to sign the documents of all the industries, because it is mandatory. Nowadays, we are getting into energy saving kind of thing. So likewise, in all the public sector bankings, every bank is having engineer, approved licensed engineers for certifying, for valuing the property for which they are providing loans. So this is another opportunity for the people. And next one is the railway recruitment. RRB, everyone knows. It is having its own entrance examination. If you are clearing, you can get into RRB. And defense kind of thing. In defense sector, like ISRO, DRDO, wherever you are looking into, all the scientist grades are. So what I can say, the best person I can quote is Abdul Kalam sir. We know about him. Not only, so since all of us know his name, I am representing n number of engineers. N number of engineers are working from aerospace to all the fields of defense. Even the rifles used are tested, commissioned, and serviced only by engineers. So all the engineering, core engineering branches are wanted in defense sector. And finally, civil service examinations, UPSC. This is for central. And TNPSC, since I'm presenting from Tamil Nadu, I am representing this TNPSC examinations. Such a case is available for all the individual states. These are all highly appreciated posts in any of the sector. And if you are clearing such kind of things, very good. And I can give a hint for you. If you are interested to clear UPSC, TNPSC kind of uniformed service exams, in your second level of examination, in your mains, after clearing your prelims, in your mains, there will be an optional subject. That optional subject, you can select anything. Most probably, social welfare kind of subjects will be opted by arts and science students. Whereas as we engineers, we can have a provision that we can select our own engineering branch. For example, if I'm an electrical engineer, that optional subject I can select will be EEE. So if I'm selecting a service that is social kind of subject, just imagine hundreds and thousands of years you have to memorize. Suppose if I'm opting with the engineering subject, it's a limited portion. I can easily score. So this is a provision available for engineers, those who are interested to writing the civil service exams. So all this coming under government jobs. So simply the parents and students are thinking that government jobs are only limited with EB, PWD, such kind of things. Not like that. We have public sector undertakings, private sector undertakings, railway recruitment board, defense, civil service, all are coming under such category. The only thing is you need to clear any one of the entrance examination. You must be strong enough in your technical subject. Okay, let me get into private kind of job. If you are interested in undergoing this private kind of job, it depends on the company. There will be definitely a selection procedure. Obviously, it will be consisting of a written test, group discussion, face-to-face interviews, everything. So earlier, before COVID, everything will be definitely off-campus, on-campus interviews, and that too in physical mode. Nowadays, because of COVID, we people have been practiced, and all the industries have also ready to accept online kind of interviews, even out of which there are so many job fairs conducted by various organizations, even with the government. For example, if I want to represent as Anna University is conducting pool campus drive for all the tier 1 companies. Like here, if it is an IT company, I can segregate them into product oriented company and service oriented company. So Apple and those things are product development based projects they are having. So they are called as product development. All the developmental engineers will be looking into that. And like Infosys and others are doing service kind of job, service kind of customers. So they are all called as service kind of industries. Every industry is coming under this Anna University, and they are conducting the pooled drives. All the students, all the individual students of Anna University are eligible to attend the job fair. Only thing is, if you are going with such kind of job fairs, the requirement, and my humble request to all the students is, you have to maintain a CGPA. They are expecting a minimum CGPA 7 to be maintained. If you are having any arrear, that should be cleared. They are asking for no history of arrear students, not like that, no standing arrears. Maybe you may have arrears because of some other reason, but if you are clearing before your 6th semester, you are eligible to attend the pool drive. So these are all the opportunities with private jobs. I represent with the IT sector, not only with IT, all manufacturing sector, mechanical, civil, all the engineering jobs, you are expected to maintain a minimum percentage. That will be better, because nowadays I can say the interview is not a selection process. It is obviously an elimination process, because lakhs and lakhs of engineers are coming out. If you are potential, if you are capable, you can survive. And okay, this is what I want to represent with the jobs. Next one is for higher studies. This higher studies can be in 3 ways. One, I can do another degree, I can go with diploma, or I can go with certification programs. So again, I have so many opportunities in front of me. I can go with technical courses, or I can go with other science courses, or I can go with management courses. Suppose if I'm joining with a company, a manufacturing company, a mechanical industry, let me assume. After getting into that, I'm responsible for maintaining all kinds of stocks and all. Obviously, if I'm having a degree with me, if I have some input related to management side, I can go with my MBA. So there are so many things. Even with IT sector, this design engineers are paid lesser than the HR people. Wherever you are looking into, the HR people are the highly paid people, because nowadays management is becoming very famous. So these management courses are also having such kind of importance. So if you want to pursue your higher education, you can go with either degree course or diploma course or certification course, and that too either in technical subject or science subject or in the management subject. These are all the floors opened in front of you. And regarding the competitive examination, this is the slide which represents the competitive examination for both job as well as higher education inside India as well as outside India. In India, we are having GATE is the priority number 1 exam for the engineers. This I already introduced to you. If you want to enter into PSUs, it is mandatory to clear this GATE exam. A third year engineering student is eligible to write the GATE examination. The score is valid for next 1 year of time. And TANSET kind of thing. This is for purely higher education purpose. And so if I want to pursue my degree in abroad, yes, I want to have some other exposure, different kind of exposure. Even my family is ready to support me in doing a PG at abroad means, simply you cannot get into abroad universities with your BE score, BE mark sheet and all. You have to clear the specific examinations like GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, and IELTS. There are so many such kind of exams. This is depending upon the country, depending upon the university. If your scores are in good scale, you will be given with scholarship and you will be getting the seats in good institutions. So these are all the competitive examinations. Some of them I can list over here. And for next one is the research institutions. So this ISRO, CSIR, BITS Pilani, all IITs, Indian Institute of Science, everyone is expecting the research engineers. So because before implementation, we have to design the problem. For that, there is a separate R&D department in all the industries, like in this ISRO, CSIR and all. Everywhere R&D engineers are wanted. Separate entrance examinations and selection procedures you have to undergo to get into such kind of research institutions. Okay, we have seen jobs, higher education, such kind of research. No, I'm not interested in all the above. What can I do then? Can I simply leave? No, not possible. You can have your own startup. You have many ideas. You are interested in giving jobs, not getting job. So far, what I have discussed were for getting job. This is what you have to prepare. These are all the exams you have to write. You will be working under some person. You are responsible to report to your authority. But no, I have my own dignity. I want to lead my life. I want to make sure that I'm directly giving the solution to the society. If you are such kind of person with good rapport, now you can start your own business. It is not requiring any business background or anything. Even as an individual engineer, you can start your own business. Nowadays, so many provisions are given by central government as well as state government. So many funding provisions are available. So what is in by startup? We don't have any business background, but even though I'm interested to start my own business, means that is named as startup. Sorry. And now you are called as an employer. From that point onwards, you are giving jobs to many people. So these are all the possibilities, and these are all some of the facilities available in Coimbatore. Since I am presenting this slide from Coimbatore, this is one of the fastest growing town in Tamil Nadu. We have so much of export excellence. We have so many recognized MSME organizations. We have IT parks, airport is here, business parks are there, food parks are there. Tourism is also now getting into new thrust. Service sector is booming. All the big industries, tier 1 companies are landing to Coimbatore for getting establishment of their business. And okay, I'm interested to have all these things. Simply can I enter? Definitely, I should possess some of the qualities. The first and foremost is the promptness and punctuality. You have to give the value for your time. You have to set the practical goals and you have to plan your things. So these are all the things you have to consider, because as a teenager, you might have so many distractions, but over which if you are following these points, definitely I can assure for your best future. If you are planning with care, your execution will be much more effective. And always as an engineer, I don't know, I cannot assure for other courses, but for engineering, you have to keep learning always. You have to update yourself. Whatever is the point coming across to your table, you have to listen well. And you have to within your limits. You have to be a self-disciplined person. You should avoid the comparison. You should focus your own approach. You have to prove that, yes, I am doing. You cannot say it is enough. Whenever you are getting new things, you have to update yourself. So obviously, I'm confident in teamwork. So I'm mentioning this point here. We have to be a team worker. So if you are a good team worker, as an engineer, you can succeed a lot. So this is what I conclude. Definitely, the participants of this session would be benefited out of it. You just think about it. You may be an engineering student or you are interested to join for engineering. Even the parents are also here. You can also think about these are all the possibilities. You no need to worry about your future. Definitely, you can get into any one of them. And if you are having my points related to road to success, your success is in front of you. So thank you, sir. Thanks for the opportunity given to me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Are we planning any query session or? It is
I have one query.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we make the Q&A session to the last, so that
Yeah, fine.
one more session is there. I'm sorry for that.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, now appreciated for the question. Let's see.
Super,
Okay.
ma'am. Super.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gomathi, ma'am. I think your insights and perspective were really truly valuable, and we got a comprehensive view about the aspects of engineering and everything like that. Now let me invite Dr. Pranesh.
1 second, sir. A little more 10 minutes presentation is there for me. And after that, we can.
Okay, fine. So you have another 10-minute presentation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because as I explained so many things, here I want to represent that being an engineering administrator of an education institution, as a teacher community, we are very much interested to introduce courses for our students, because we have so much of opportunities and we have enough effective people with me. So we are planning to give 2 courses for the students, those who are interested. So before getting into those 2 courses, I wish to introduce my team and my institution to this community, so that at the end, Dr. Pranesh and Mr. Ganesh will introduce their courses. They are planning to offer 15 to 20 hours of free course related to this data science and IoT. So because those 2 words are ruling the world now, so we are planning to provide those 2 courses as free of cost for the student community. And before which, just I wish to introduce, I'm representing the Study World College of Engineering. I want to introduce my organization. This is run by Study World Education Holding Group, which is originated in the year of 2005 at Dubai, and they are promoting from K-12 schools to university campus. This is first of its kind in Dubai, and it is approved by the government for the establishment of higher education. It's a dynamic organization. Because of the time constraint, I'm skipping some of the slides. Let me introduce my chairperson. I'm working under a able lady.
Hello, ma'am. Principal, ma'am, are you there?
Hello, madam.
I think she lost her connection. Let me check. Miss Vidya is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Could you contact principal, ma'am?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
meanwhile, shall we go for Dr. Pranesh session?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Dr. Pranesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we start your session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Like I think she lost the connection. Maybe some technical issue is there. So
There is
now,
no- 1 second, sir. I'm back.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Ma'am, please.
okay, fine. Take your time. Okay, no issues. Take your time.
Visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible. We
Sir,
can put
our trust is running the international programs in various kinds: engineering, management, design, in media, tourism, energy, MBA, everything.
Okay, excuse me, ma'am. Can you put it in
Yes,
presentation mode?
Yes, sir. I'm.
Okay. Sorry for the interruption.
So this is the school run in Dubai. We are having the campus at Malta. We have campus at Sri Lanka. And these are all the other businesses. They are not only having the education business, and other business are, they have clinical and pharmacy experience. They have Media City and the Flowers International, this channel which is running in Kerala. It is, she is also one of the member among it. And this is my institution, Study World Coimbatore. This is a 40-acre campus. It's well established, and we are having hostel facilities for both boys and girls inside the campus itself. And the courses offered here are computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and data science, information technology, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering. Almost what are the points I have presented in my previous one, the platform for engineers, all the core engineering courses we are running in our campus. And not only we are providing the academic courses, we are promoting our students towards their skill development, for which we are having different technical associations. So Y Science is one of the association. This is run by first year students. And Potentia is the second year association run by second year students. And Cyber Geek is the association run by our third year students. So individually we are having the association for all the years. One thing I want to represent here is right from day one, we are maintaining the interdisciplinary opportunity. So because engineering is not with a specific one, if as I mentioned, the requirement is teamwork. So with all the engineers, they have to work right from the student level itself. So we are conducting the association activities as an interdisciplinary work. And the proof for that one is the Smart India Hackathon 2022. It is a pride initiative by the government of India under different ministries for encouraging the startups. I'm connecting the first suggestion to the last suggestion through this slide, from a student level to startup. This is run by the government of India. I can proudly present that 11 batches have submitted and 1 batch entering into the finals. And we are having this yoga practice in our campus, or obviously some relaxation must be there. And value-added programs, because nowadays only the academic is not enough. We have to get into the skill development for our students in all the fields, all their related fields. So even Anna University is providing all the students this non-modal one for the self-financing colleges. We are one among them. And in addition to that, we are conducting so many hands-on training programs. We are conducting workshops and hands-on training by all the individual departments. This is one of them as Internet of Things. So with this idea only, I'm planning and discussed with you for initiating this course. And another one is the application of embedded technologies using Arduino. So even for this mechanical engineering students, we are having this IoT and CNC hashtag automation program. So these are all some of the initiatives which we are having. The same thing we are trying to submit for all the people. And this is the campus life. We have the clubs. Ready to is for entrepreneurship. Pachayam is for save nature. Their motto is, and Spartanus is for arts club, fine arts club. This fifth is for women empowerment, and Jatras club by allied health science students. And we have so many literacy activities and proficiency models in the campus. And we are concentrating on the placement training initiative also, because obviously at the end of the day, the students and parents are very much interested in placements. So we have tied up with the Artstic Digital Solution, through which we are giving the soft skill training, C and data structures, Java programming, and regularly we are conducting this GD, aptitude and technical test for all our students. And here we have conducted a mock interview also. Mr. Isaac Paturaja, he is a seasoned human relationship person. He is a professional in this HR, and he's also running a Sanmina corporation. He has given a very good feedback about my students. Hopefully they will be getting good job in all the places. And out of which we are having the industry exposure through signing MOUs with all the people, and we are regularly organizing guest lectures, and our faculty members are participating in industrial visits and NPTEL program they are taking up. And we have some refreshments also. We are taking our students to industrial visit for different companies. One among them is ISRO. I have shown in this slide. And the pride of my students program is the National Level Technical Symposium. The 2 months back, we have organized in our campus. This is 100% administrated by my own students. So now they are able to enter into administration also. Some of the glimpses are shown in these slides. We have received almost 154 registration from other institutions, and the program was very, very much successful. And over which we are having celebrations inside the campus. We are inviting the first years through Freshers Day and orientation program. We are taking them to various places. And in addition to that, we have, one thing I want to represent here is, in our campus, we are having the people from 3 different states, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra. So we are celebrating all the functions of all the 3 states. This is a happy moment. Last year, we have successfully organized our annual day. These 3 people represented from all.
Hello, ma'am. Can't hear your voice.
So faculty members still were.
I think ma'am will be live in 1 or 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. The faculty had been went to check in, sir.
Hello, ma'am. We can wait for just a minute, or else we can go for Dr. Pranay's presentation.
No, sir. Ma'am is connecting.
Okay, fine. Sorry for the inconvenience.
By the time Dr.
Is it
Gomathi ma'am
visible,
will
sir?
join, I think,
Sir?
Okay, actually, ma'am is speaking. Your screen is not. Just wait. I think some issues with the screen also.
Yes, sir. Once again, I'm sharing.
Okay, fine. Yeah, now it's coming. Okay.
So many things we are doing for our engineering students. In addition to that, as a responsible institution, we are conducting this skill development program. This is skilling youth program, the initiative by central government, DDU GKY. We are having 4 trades in our campus. Aerospace, IT, ITS, media, entertainment, automotive and electronics and hardware, out of which 4 trades currently we are running, and we have been sanctioned with 570 students. Now we have completed 400 students. It's a 3 months training program, and some of the happy moments here, we are giving training and we are providing placements for them. So they have almost well settled in all the places. So this is our CSR kind of activity. And finally, I can conclude that this is my workforce. This is a dedicated staff team working with me in the Study World campus. And finally, I wish to thank my management and special thanks to Manogaran sir for giving me this opportunity. And I thank Mr. Sultan and Mr. Salim also. Finally, obviously, I have to thank the participants for their patient listening. If you have any queries, I'm ready to address.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir, please.
Can we make the Q&A session to the last?
Yes, sir. Whichever is convenient, we can make it.
Okay, then it will be easier for the audience also, because we have to keep in a time frame. That's why only. Anyhow, thank you. Now, can we move to Dr. Pranay's session?
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Gomathi?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir. He is ready.
Okay, in Principal Ma'am's presentation, it's very much reflected how she is bonded to the team of Study World. Anyhow, many thankful to you, ma'am. Now it's Dr. Pranay's session. Actually, he is HOD of Electrical and Electronics Department, and his major areas of interest are like embedded systems, wireless, sensor networks, electrical machines, and computer networks. So I welcome you, sir, for the presentation.
Yes, sir.
Your screen is visible and can go for slideshow.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, I'm here to explain about the
And,
IoTs.
excuse me, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
are all pretty much. Can you raise your volume?
Yeah. Welcome, everyone. I'm here to explain about the Internet of Things. What is an IoT? The Internet of Things is the network of physical objects or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables this object to collect and exchange the data. Why an IoT? Until recently, the access to the internet was limited via devices like desktops, tablets, or smartphones. But now with the Internet of Things, that is IoT, practically all applications can be connected to the internet and monitored remotely. It is a system of interconnected devices that transfer and exchange data over a wireless network without any human interactions. The things in IoT could be the examples like ACs, doorbells, thermostats, smoke detectors, water heater, etc. IoT devices are connected to the network with the help of gateways. These gateways are also called as processing nodes. These processing nodes process the information collected from the sensors and transfer it to the cloud, which acts as both the storage and the processing units. All these actions are performed and the data are collected for the future further learning process and the inferences. With the improved response monitoring and analytical capabilities, IoT is being adopted in almost all industries and domains, from opening the door to countless applications. And the few applications were where mostly the IoTs are implemented on the buildings for under home automations, manufacturing, medical and healthcare systems, media, environmental monitoring, infrastructure management, energy management, and transportations, and etc. With such a wide spectrum of applications, the future of IoT looks more promising than ever before. The integration of IoTs with the other technologies, in the current technologies like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and many more is paving the way for many new and exciting innovations, which creates a lot more career opportunities for the engineering students. And in our course, IoT course, we are planned to cover the following topics. At the start, we are going to give an introduction, brief introduction about the IoTs and the networks, and about the sensors. And to the later part, we are going to introduce a controller called Arduino, which is an entry-level controller for the automation things. And we are going to give an introduction about the sensors and how to integrate the Arduinos and other controllers. Now we have an controller on the sensors which has been integrated. Is set to be a device. Now we have an automated device at this stage. After that, to make this automated device to an IoT or an Internet of Things platform, we need to connect it to the internet. Through this is done through the cloud computing. So we are going to teach about the fundamentals of the cloud computing. Now we have a device which is being connected to the internet. Now we have to use this device to the real-time environment. So we're going to explain the through the online simulators like Tinkercad and Thinkerspeak to how to implement in the real-time environment. And this way that short about the IoTs and the course we are going to offer. And we conclude by saying that innovation technologies and approaches will be required to make them IoT and really an trending one. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Pranesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Sorry,
you, sir.
Mr.
Thank you for the
Ganesh.
management.
I got mistaken by the names. Sorry for that. I think now it's time for data science presentation by Dr. Pranesh. Pranesh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now Ganesh will present about data science, sir. Sorry for interruption.
Okay, ma'am.
Ganesh, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I am here.
Can we start?
You can present.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you need more time?
No, sir. Yes.
Fine.
So, good evening, everyone present here. Myself, Professor S. Ganesh, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So, first of all, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to our beloved management, CEO, respected CEO Dr. Vidya Vinoth ma'am, our COO, Chief Operating Officer Dr. B. Gomathi ma'am, our beloved Administrative Officer Mr. M. Manoharan sir. So for their effective and continuous support for us, I welcome all the parents, students, and our well-wishers for this informative webinar. So I am very glad to give introduction about this course, Data Science with Python. So before getting into that course, so I would like to represent my department. I'm the department I am representing. So our Department of Computer Science and Engineering was established in the year 2009. And
Presentation is on.
Mm.
I think
Yes,
we
sir.
can't able to see your presentation in the
Wow.
screen, like it's showing a folder. Is that the same for everyone? Or issue with me only?
Even for us.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
And if you don't have presentation, then also it will be okay. Anyhow, I think you can start. It's up to you.
So now, is anyone able to view the presentation?
No, sir. No.
No,
No problem, sir.
Yes.
no
You
problem.
can present. You can present
Yes.
orally. You can.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that will be better.
So, yes.
No worry.
So my Department of Computer Science and Engineering was established in the year 2009 with an objective to provide important quality education and to produce outstanding competent software professionals. So currently our department offers the course of BE in Computer Science and Engineering with an intake of 60 students. So our department is having qualified and experienced faculty members. With that faculty team, we are guiding the students to participate in various hackathon, internships, seminar, presentation, contests, project contests, everything. So we are regularly organizing various kind of programs like value-added courses, guest lectures, symposium, exhibitions, conferences, webinars, workshops for the development of our students. So next, so now I am coming to this course, outline of this course, why I should learn this course. So our course is data science with Python. Since data today plays a very huge role in each and everything, so data science is an important area. So knowingly or unknowingly, directly or indirectly, data science is ruling us. So with two successful stories, I wish to introduce the data science. So everyone aware about the IPL matches. In that, the Kolkata Knight Riders won the matches in 2012 and 2014. So how they had achieved that win means without having very much star players, they achieved their victory with the help of data science. So I also another story for that everyone could view. So the sachet packets of Boost Horlicks availability at market. So that too come because of data science. So data science plays a vital role in small range to various big ranges too. From in the banks, in the hospitals. So yeah, everything, each and every decision comes by analyzing a periodical over of data and evaluating them and providing good results. Based on that, they are entering into the new strategies. Along with that data science, we are going to learn the data science through Python. Why we need to know about Python means Python is one of the most popular programming languages that we are that everyone is using for its easy of use, this rich ecosystem. So in Python, we are having more than 1,25,000 libraries. So with that, we could very well study about this data science. So our course content covers the impact of data science in today's world, role of statistics, describing the data with the tables and graphs, describing relationship, introduction to Python, then NumPy arrays, pandas, data visualization. So everything we are going to, these are the course content we are going to cover under this course, data science with Python. So resource persons for this program were our department staff with our department faculties. So Mr. Mangaleshwaran, Mr. P. Ram Subramanian, and Mr. Nelson Emmanuel. So I want to conclude my presentation with an information that we are that you are having the course, you are going to learn a course at free of cost. See, its worthiness in market is starts from 15K onwards. So it's an excellent opportunity for the students to take this course and be benefited. So on behalf of Computer Science and Engineering Department, so I wish everyone all the best and thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ganesh sir. I think he throw an insight about data science better with great examples. Thank you, sir. Okay, so we have some 10-15 minutes left. Meanwhile, we can go for Mr. Sultan's session. Mr. Sultan, are you there?
Yes, I'm here very much.
Excellent. Yeah.
Hope I'm audible.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, cool and great. First of all, a very warm good evening to all of you. Today, actually, we have been listening to the scope and the possibilities and the enormous potential of engineering. And now it's time, to take a decision. Actually, Study World College of Engineering, it's a group of institutions. Last 2 years, the new management has taken up. And this is a group which is trying to give a new vigor, new power to the education, actually. And that's why SWC College is providing the latest entrant is artificial intelligence and data science. And along with that, IT course, actually, we are starting in this year only. So there is a grand new lab waiting for the students. It's getting ready now. So the first year, the CS and these students will be going using all these new facilities. And apart from making so many engineers, Study World College is also focusing on new entrepreneurs. So that's a new thing. When you have if you have an employee mindset, definitely you will be thinking about a salary. And there is a security. Definitely, there is a salary in there is a security in salary. But when we go for entrepreneurship, when we used to show it as an example, like how many seeds are there in an apple, but we can't say how many apples are there in a seed. It's like when you are becoming an entrepreneur, so the story changes from there. The whole story of the life of that person, it will take a new dimension. So the same way, SWC College is actually adding value to the students and their family by providing both training and for placements, so that they can get the surety. The last just 2 years before, the thing was a different story for engineers. The least person who is in demand was an engineer. But this year onwards, or for the last year onwards, the criteria, there was a paradigm shift, and that engineers are in demand again. And after the explosive entry of Chat GPT, the whole thing, the whole internet history is being toppled now. So everybody is behind data science and mastering this Chat GPT and this artificial intelligence. So at the same time, with the emergence of electronic vehicle, there comes the robotics and Internet of Things and EV that is also taking up the industrial new explosion like. So there are n number of opportunities for engineering again. So the situation before 2 years and today is entirely different. Actually, we are waiting for the results, +2 results in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh and Kerala as well. So as far as the courses, if you are looking to get the courses in the Study World College of Engineering in Coimbatore, any of you, your parent or a student can have a visit in our college, and you can experience what are the features and facilities are there. So you have been attending, you have been following the presentation done by the principal, Dr. Gomathi, and you can experience what all the facilities and features are offered by the college for your children. And you can visit the hostel facility. You can interact with faculty members so that you can feel comfortable. You can, if time permits, you can also have an interaction with our principal, so that you will feel comfortable that your children is in very safe hands. And myself personally,
I think we lost Mr. Sultan's voice.
several
Anybody feeling
meetings
the
with the
same?
principal, Dr. Gomathi, and the team, the whole team actually. So let me tell you frankly, this was a whole team wholeheartedly, energetically is there to support the entire student team to make them,
Mr. Sultan,
turning.
your voice is
Someone was
breaking.
asking something, right?
Anybody feeling the same?
Anyway, this is time for you to enroll into the new courses which the SWC college is offering. I will keep my video off for some time and I'll try. And
Yeah, that's better.
okay, SWC college is offering new online courses for 1 month courses. They are one is data science and Python. Another one is IoT, Internet of Things. So if your children, if your son or daughter is interested in any of these courses, they can take it as a value addition. It's a free course, but the thing is, only first 50 will be getting admitted to the course. It will be a course before engineering. You can take it in that way. It will be a value addition. Before getting into the stream, to have a knowledge prior to the course will be an added advantage anyway. And that course is also, it's tightly scheduled, 16-hour course it is. So 4 days, 1 hour per 1 hour. It will be a comfortable timing for the student as it is online. And, it will be built like the perfect course which is given online, because the faculty is that much strong in their subject knowledge. So you all have the opportunity to experience that. So other thing is, anyone who is in this webinar would like to go for taking admission in SWC college, please come forward and you can connect with any of the hosts here. We have already given you the webinar link, The team was there, the admission supporting team was there. Team will be there anytime. So you just can raise your hand and you can ask any other questions regarding the college campus, whatever. The fee structure and the criteria, other things will be, sent to you personally or to your WhatsApp, or we can have a one-on-one about the fee structure and about the hostel facility. Hostel facility, actually currently there is two type of accommodations are there. One is 6-bed sharing system, and another one is 4-bed sharing system. So all those details about the photos of the hostel. If you are not in a position to visit the college immediately, you can have a look. We will be sending you a detailed video which we were showing earlier. That video will be sent to you. Another, you can have a virtual tour of the college by looking all the photos, images, and the programs, and also the hostel photos will be shared to you. So anytime it's open to you now. When even if the result, I think when the result comes in, it will be a huge rush for all these, AIDS and data science and computer science and many, especially when this electronic vehicle is, in the market now. So there will be a huge and heavy rush. So before that, if you would like to go for the seat booking, you all can have the seat booked by paying the admission fee. That is normally it is 10,000. If you can pay the admission fee in advance, you can book the seat for your son or daughter. But remember one thing, that admission fee once you paid is non-refundable. So if you are changing a plan, if you are changing a decision to take your son into some other colleges, you won't be getting that 10,000 back. But I suggest you to take out time to visit the college and experience the things and try to book the seat before the result comes in, or even after the result comes in. You can just immediately, because the most demanding courses are these. Currently all these courses are in the most demanding one, especially this AI and IT and computer science and mechanical engineering. And as per the robotics and the electronic vehicle came into the market, then EEE and ET is also in demand. So the scenario has totally changed. I hope the parents are well aware of that. So it's time for you to take action now. We are not compelling you. We are just requesting you to have an experience, visit the campus, talk to the faculty, just fix your mind. Then we can take a decision and we can entrust your children in good and safe hands. Another thing is the internship that can be an attraction. After the completion of the course, the internship is offered in Dubai. As Study World College is already having a campus in Dubai, and the Dubai campus is also Dumont University's campus. You might be knowing Dumont University is one of the top 50 universities in the world. So it will be an added, you will be adding value to your son or daughter by providing them a chance to learn.
Okay,
in an
thank you.
international ambience. So that I'll also conclude with those words. So it's time for you to take action. Any visit the campus, may please raise your hands.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sultan. Yeah, it was a wonderful session, like throwing light about engineering and the current updates, plus more about Study World College. So now it's time for Q&A. Please come forward.
Thank you so much for the time.
Okay, we have another 6-7 minutes left. So please be faster.
Yes. Yeah, if there is any open question, they can take it out. And let me tell you some more things about the college. This college, this is located in Coimbatore, 11 kilometers from the Coimbatore city. and it is on the way from Erode to Palakkad Road. It's near to the national highway, just 1.5 kilometer, and having the current. Our principal has already told you that the current students ratio, it is 3 states mix: Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. And the hostel facility is currently managed by the college management itself. So that somewhere it will be a smooth management.
Great. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please come forward.
Yeah, I have one question, sir.
Yeah, thank you for that.
This is Ramesh. My son name is Aditya. He's done my 12th standard. So we are expecting that result. I have that doubt. What is the difference between Btech and then BE? Is a Btech also have a computer science programs and then BE have a computer science programs? What's the difference between Btech and BE? Both are that syllabus is same. I think so. That is right.
Right. I think Dr. Gomathi can answer this question very well because she got such a maybe the knowledge about Btech BE.
Can I, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Earlier, it was given as more of design oriented and such kind of courses are coming under engineering, and technology means direct implementation. Manufacturing kind of courses have come under technological courses. So nowadays, depending upon the institution, they are giving the name as BE or Btech. For example, if you are considering the topmost college in Tamil Nadu, even in Anna University, they're having 4 campuses. In Gindi campus, they are mentioning it as computer science as BE, and in MIT campus, Chromepet campus with Btech. Nowadays, it depends on the institution they are naming it as. So, whereas for Anna University, like kind of a study world college working under affiliated system, we are having the BE courses for engineering and Btech course in information technology. So if you are implementing the technology directly, those courses are called as Btech courses. And if you are getting into design kind of thing, that are all that too incorporating the administration and all, they are all calling it as engineering. This is what we affiliated colleges are having.
Okay. Okay, and then one more question, ma'am.
Yes.
Sure.
If my son goes to BE computer science, okay.
Yes.
Either he finished the BE computer science, he can go to MTech is eligible.
Yes, sir. Depending upon the university. Nowadays, even the interdisciplinary engineerings are also invited.
Okay.
Now, earlier it was that there was no such provision, but in recent 5 years, everything is changed. The scenario is entirely changed. We can get into any kind of thing. Even for the one thing I can represent here, if any student is completing 10th, after that, if they are completing the diploma course for 3 years, they can directly get into second year of BE courses, engineering courses. And earlier, if any student wants to enter into BE EEE, he or she has to complete diploma in EEE. But nowadays it is not like that. Any diploma student can enter into any of the engineering branches. If any civil engineering student is interested to go with BE computer science, they are eligible. This is what the scenario has been changed. So now everything is becoming interdisciplinary.
Okay. And one more small.
Yes, sir.
Can I have to speak? Hello.
Hello.
And
Yes, sir.
one more question.
Please, sir.
Can I speak with Tamil?
Yes, with pleasure, sir.
Thank you. இப்போ நீங்க சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க கோமதி மேம் சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க ஸோ பேங்கிங் செக்டர்லையும் வந்து பிஇ ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க. ஆக்சுவலா பேங்கிங் செக்டருக்கு வந்து பிஇ ஸ்டூடெண்ட் எதுக்காக போகணும்? எனக்கு என்னோட ஒரு கொஸ்டின்
வேல்யூவேஷன் சார். என்னோட பிரசன்டேஷன்லயே அதான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன் நானு. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 விதமான ஜாபுக்கு போறாங்க இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். ஒண்ணு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்ப நம்ம எல்லாரும் எழுதுற மாதிரி இந்த குரூப் 4 எக்ஸாம் அதுல எழுதி பேங்கிங் செக்டர்ல போய் கிளரிக்கல்ல இருந்து உள்ள போறவங்க மேனேஜரியல் லெவல் வரைக்கும் போறவங்களும் இருக்கிறாங்க. இது ஒரு இது ஜெனரல் காம்படிஷனுக்கு போவாங்க. ஆர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் சயின்ஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங் யார் வேணா போலாம். வேறஸ் ஒரு பேங்க்லயும் வேல்யூவேஷன் இன்ஜினியர்னு ஒரு போஸ்ட் இருக்குங்க சார்.
ஓகே.
அந்த வேல்யூவேஷன் ஆமா இப்ப நீங்க வந்து ஒரு பில்டிங் ஒரு வீட்டுக்கு லோன் எடுக்கிறீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். நீங்க வீடு கட்டுறதுக்கு லோன் அப்படின்னா உங்களுடைய பிளான் எல்லாமே எஸ்டிமேட் பண்ணி இந்த வீடு கட்டணும்னா நீங்க ஒரு 50 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு லோன் அப்ளை பண்றீங்கன்னா இஸ் தட் பில்டிங் இஸ் கோயிங் டு ஒர்த் ஃபார் ₹50 lakhs அப்படிங்கறத வேல்யூவேட் பண்றதுக்கு உள்ள ஒரு சிவில் இன்ஜினியரோட அப்பாயின்மெண்ட்டும் அப்ரூவலும் தேவை. அது மாதிரி ஒரு மெக்கானிக்கல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றீங்க, ஒரு 10 லூம் வாங்குறீங்க, தூத்துக்குடியில இருந்து நீங்க இறக்குமதி பண்ணிட்டு கொண்டு வரீங்க, இவ்வளவு லோன் வேணும்னு கேக்குறீங்கன்னா அதை வேல்யூ பண்ணி கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ஒரு மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியர் உள்ள இருப்பாருங்க. அவங்க எல்லாமே சர்டிஃபைடு வேல்யூவேஷன் இன்ஜினியர். இப்ப பிஇ மெக்கானிக்கல் ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் முடிக்கிறான்னா அவன் முடிச்சுட்டு வேல்யூவேஷன் சர்டிபிகேஷன் அவன் வாங்கணும். வாங்கிட்டான்னா he is eligible to enter into valuation engineer designation in banking sector. Every bank is having a valuation engineer in all the engineering fields. இதுதான் மெயின் போர்ட்ஃபோலியோ. இது இல்லாம இப்ப இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இருக்கிறதுனால காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம் எழுதி ஈவன் கிளரிக்கல் போஸ்ட்ல இருந்து எல்லா இடத்துலயும் டாமினேட் பண்றது இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். அதுவும் வந்து காமன் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம். பட் எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவா இன்ஜினியர் அப்படின்னா அந்த வேல்யூவேஷன் செக்டர்ல உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கிறது இன்ஜினியர் மட்டும்தான் உட்கார முடியும்.
பட் மோர் திங்க் வந்து இப்போ நான் நிறைய விஷயம் என்னோட ரிலேஷன்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய பேர் வந்து பிஇ முடிச்சு எம்பிஏ போறாங்க.
ஆமாங்க சார். ஏன்னா இப்ப வந்து நீங்க பிஇ முடிக்கிறீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், ஒரு இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில ஈஸியா உள்ள போயிடுறீங்க. ஒரு டிசைன் இன்ஜினியராவோ நீங்க டெவலப்மெண்ட் இன்ஜினியராவோ இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு சேலரி ஓரளவுக்கு தான் இருக்கும். நீங்க ஹெச்ஆர் லெவல் அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு போறீங்க, அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷனுக்கு போகணும்னா உங்களுக்கு எம்பிஏ தான் அவங்க கேக்குறாங்க. அப்ப நீங்க வந்து எல்லாருமே இப்ப நம்ம ஒரு ஆவரேஜ் ஃபேமிலி எல்லாருமே எதுக்காக இன்ஜினியரிங் வரோம்னா, டு பி ஹானஸ்ட் சொல்லணும்னா ஈஸியா லைஃப்ல செட்டில் ஆயிரலாம், நல்லா ஏர்ன் பண்ணலாம். ஒரு டாக்டரை விட அதிகமா சம்பாதிக்கணும்னா இன்ஜினியர்னாலதான் முடியும். அப்ப அவன் என்ன பண்றான்னா ஒரு டிசைன் லெவல்ல இருந்து எனக்கு இவ்வளவுதான் கிடைக்குதுன்னா நான் ஹெச்ஆரா போகும்போது எனக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அதிகம் கிடைக்கணும், ஒய் டோன்ட் ஐ? அப்ப நான் வந்து ஒரு டிசைன்ல ஒர்க் பண்றதுக்கு எம்இ தேவையில்லை, பிஇஏ போதும். அப்ப நான் ஏன் எம்இ படிக்கணும்? அதுக்கு பதிலா எம்பிஏ படிச்சேன்னா அடுத்த லெவல் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷனுக்கு போனா என்னுடைய லெவல் ஆஃப் ஸ்கேலும் மாறும். தட் இஸ் வாட் நவடேஸ் எல்லா இண்டஸ்ட்ரியிலும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா பிஇ எம்பிஏ போறவங்க வந்து ரொம்ப அதிகம்.
பட் மோஸ்ட்லி மேம் இப்போ கேட்கலாமா? क्वेश्चन கேட்கலாம் இல்லையா?
வித் ப்ளஷர் சார், தாராளமா கேளுங்க சார். இஃப் ஐ நோ டெஃபினெட்லி ஐ வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ அவுட்.
Okay. Sir, what's your name?
Okay, fine. இப்போ biochemistry student MBA and I was done at LLB, right? So இதுக்கு வந்து BS நான் BSc biochemistry முடிச்சு MBA போறேன். So இவன் வந்து BE முடிச்சு MBA போறான். What's the difference between?
கண்டிப்பா ஒரு இடத்துலயும் இருக்குங்க சார். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்ப நீங்க வந்து ஒரு சிடிஎஸ்ஏ நீங்க எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னாலும் ஒரு பிஏ ஹிஸ்டரி முடிச்சவங்க கூட போலாம். இப்ப நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு விஷயம் என்னன்னா, என்ன படிச்சாலும் சரி ஐடி ஜாப் ரெடியா இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. பட் நீங்க வந்து ஒரு கிளையண்ட் அவங்க வந்து ஒரு கம்பெனிக்கு ப்ராஜெக்ட் சாங்ஷன் பண்றாங்கன்னா அதுல ஒர்க் பண்ற பீப்புளை பொறுத்துதான் அவங்க வந்து ப்ராடக்ட் காஸ்டையே டிஃபைன் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஒரு பிஎஸ்சி பயோகெமிஸ்ட்ரி முடிச்சுட்டு ஒருத்தர் உள்ள போய் ஐடில ஒர்க் பண்றான், இன்னொருத்தர் பிஇ கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் முடிச்சுட்டு உள்ள போறான்னா இவனோட ப்ராஜெக்ட் வேல்யூ ஜாஸ்தி, இவனுக்கான சேலரி ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும், இவனோட ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் அதிகமா இருக்கும், ஆன்சைட் ஒர்க் இவனுக்கு அதிகமா இருக்கும். பட் பயோகெமிஸ்ட்ரி முடிச்சுட்டு போறவனும் ஐடி ஜாப்னு தான் சொல்லுவான், பட் அவனோட லெவல் வந்து வேறையா தான் இருக்கும். ஈவன் இன்னும் ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். நானு ஈவன் இன் கவர்மெண்ட் செக்டர், இப்ப நான் ட்ரிபிள்ங்கிறனால அதை வச்சு நிறைய எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன், தப்ப எடுத்துக்காதீங்க. இப்போ நீங்க தமிழ்நாடு எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி போர்டு எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா டிப்ளமோ ட்ரிபிள் முடிச்சாலும் இபிக்குள்ள வேலைக்கு போலாம் இல்லைங்களா? பிஇ ட்ரிபிள் முடிச்சவங்களும் இபிக்கு வேலைக்கு போறாங்க, 2 பேருமே அசிஸ்டன்ட் என்ஜினியர் தான். பட் டிப்ளமோ முடிச்சவன் உள்ள போய் 10 வருஷம் ஆனாதான் ஏஇ ஸ்கொயர் கேடருக்கு போக முடியும். என்ஜினியரிங் முடிச்சவன் டைரக்டா ஏஇ ஸ்கொயர் கேடர்ல உள்ள போவான். அது மாதிரியான ஒரு விஷயம் தான். யாரு வேணா ஐடி ஜாபுக்குள்ள போலாம், பட் எந்த கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல டெபியூட் பண்றாங்கிறது அவங்களுடைய கோர்ஸ் பேக்ரவுண்ட் தான்.
பட் இன்னொரு விஷயம் தப்பா நினைச்சுக்காதீங்க. ஸோ டிப்ளமோ முடிச்சுட்டு 10 years அவன் வந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு அவனோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கேதர் பண்ணி அவன் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஹை லெவல்ல போறதுக்கும் பிஇ முடிச்சுட்டு அவன் ஹை லெவல்ல போறதுக்கு இட்ஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட். ஓகேவா?
கண்டிப்பா சார் டிஃபரெண்ட். சொல்லுங்க சார், நீங்க கன்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க.
இல்ல, சோ இந்த டிஃபரெண்ட்ல இப்போ நான் இருக்கேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, நான் வந்து டிப்ளமோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட், நீங்க வந்து பிஇ ஸ்டூடெண்ட், ரைட்? ஸோ நான் வந்து 10 years ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வந்து கேதர் பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நான் உள்ள மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் லெவல்ல உள்ள போறதுக்கும், நீங்க எடுத்த உடனே வந்து மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் லெவல்ல போறதுக்கும் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இல்லை, பட் எனக்கு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கு, சரிங்களா? ஸோ இதுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்குன்னு இல்லையா?
டிஃபரன்ஸ் அப்படிங்கறது வந்து இருக்கும்னு நீங்க நினைக்கலாம். பட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த இடத்துக்கு போகும்போது அந்த வேலை தான் அவங்க செய்யவே போறாங்க. அந்த மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அப்படிங்கிற ஒர்க் தான் அவங்களுக்கு மெயினா கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்றாங்க. நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு அந்த பிராக்டிக்கல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா பெட்டரா இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்ப நான் வந்து டைரக்டா ஏஇ ஸ்கொயர்ல உள்ள போறேன்னா என்னுடைய வேலை, என்னுடைய மரியாதை நான் தக்க வச்சுக்கணும்னா நான் எல்லாத்தையும் பிராக்டிக்கல் நானே லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்குவேன். அதுக்கு ஒரு 10 வருஷம் ஒர்க் பண்ணி தான் லேர்ன் பண்ணணுங்கிற அவசியம் இல்லைங்க. அதுக்குதான் இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்ப பிஇ கோர்ஸ் படிக்கும் போதே அவங்களுக்கு இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் எல்லாம் போகணும். ஏன்னா இப்ப நான் உங்களுக்கு கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணும்போது எங்க காலேஜ் பத்தி ஸ்லைடு போடும்போது பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 10 ஸ்லைடு தான் அகாடமிக் பத்தி இருந்தது. அதுக்கப்புறம் இருந்தது எல்லாமே வந்து ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட்டுக்காக தான். அது ஒரு என்ஜினியரா போற ஒருத்தனுக்கும் அந்த பேஷன்ஸ் வேணும். நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் படிக்கும் போதே அடுத்த 4 வருஷத்துல என்னெல்லாம் நான் கேதர் பண்ண முடியுமோ பிராக்டிக்கலா எல்லா எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸையும் கத்துக்கணும். சர்வைவல் ஆஃப் த ஃபிட்டஸ்ட் சார், சிம்பிளி சொல்லணும்னா நான் சர்வைவ் ஆகணும்னா நான் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் போட்டுதான் ஆகணும். படிக்கும் போதே நான் ஒரு என்ஜினியரா மனசுல நினைச்சுக்கிட்டு I have to make myself trained in all the practical fields. அதுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். யாராவது ஒரு ஏஇ வந்து அந்த ட்ரைனிங் எல்லாம் இல்லாம ஜஸ்ட் லைக் தட் உள்ள வந்திருந்தாருன்னா அவரை யாருமே டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல மதிக்க கூட மாட்டாங்க. அதுதான் உண்மை. பட் ஒரு திறமைசாலியா எல்லாமே லேர்ன் பண்ணிட்டு வர ஒரு என்ஜினியரை வந்து அந்த டிப்ளமோ 10 வருஷம் முடிச்சுட்டு வந்தவரை இவர்கிட்ட போய் ட்ரைனிங் எடுத்துக்கணும்னு நினைப்பாரு. அதுதான் திறமைக்கான மரியாதைங்க. அந்த பிஇ முடிக்கும் போது அதெல்லாம் பண்றதுதான் அந்த பிஇக்கான குவாலிட்டியே. Other they have to do within 4 years of time span. They should not concentrate only on academics. In addition to that, they have to develop their skill set.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Super,
Sir,
super, super.
let me know your name.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, let me
ஒரே
know
ஒரு
your
இது நான் நீங்க எங்க இருந்து பேசுறீங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா சார்?
நான் சிவகங்கையில இருந்து பேசுறேன் மேம்.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் சார். ஒரு நல்ல இன்டராக்ஷனா நான் ஃபீல் பண்றேன். உங்க மூலமா நான் இங்க இருக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் மத்தவங்களுக்கும் நிறைய நான் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுக்க முடிஞ்சது. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி நீங்க எனக்கு கேட்டதுக்கு.
Actually, I felt like he asked questions for many audiences here.
Yeah.
And Dr. Gomathi, principal ma'am, answered well to that question, so it's very clear. Then, meanwhile, let me give a light on about. Are you aware about the value-added courses which we mentioned earlier, which is completely free and it's have a span of 1 month? So every students here can utilize this golden opportunity to enroll in that course. So in your vacation and before joining or taking engineering admission, you will get a basic intro or about what is data science, what is IoT, like the way you will get an at least there must be a takeaways from these courses. So I think here all are aware about the value-added courses which will be provided freely, and it's kind of much information and updations, everything included in that courses. So any questions about the value-added courses also you can raise here.
எப்படி பிளான் பண்றோம்னாங்க சார், we are planning between 3 to 4 o'clock every day. One day on data science, next day on IoT. This is the way we are planning. Minimum 15 to 20 hours each course will be taken by the teammates.
Right, great. And only 50 seats we have. So first come, first served, like that. So first 50 will be enrolled to that course. So you can put your names, those who are interested to enroll in those courses in the chat box currently. You can use the chat box to fill your names and mobile number, everything, so that we can contact you and get admission for this value-added courses also.
They can also mention the course which they would like to go for, which is data, means Python or IoT.
Yeah, I can see one Mr. Surjit with mobile number entered in the chat box. So I request all to fill your names and mobile number here, so that we can move to that for that 50 students.
They can also mention the course which they are going for, from among these both courses.
Okay. Even parents can also share their number so that we can connect you as well and get details about students. So we have another 4 minutes. We have to wind up at 8:45 p.m. Pardon? So 3 or 4 minutes remaining. Any more questions you can ask about college, about engineering, about the current trends, the major. Sorry for that, I got a call. It's an urgent call, that's why. Okay, so if you have any further questions, already we created a group and you can share your thoughts or questions and about course details, fees, everything in that group. So you can use that group. That group name is webinar on engineering group. So you can share your messages there. We will reply you there. Okay, so also we will contact you with all people, like which course. Maybe the parents are not aware about this particular courses, but students are interested, and we can get passion, the real passion of the students through parents. So we will connect you for that. Also, how about the session? I believe it was a nice session, so much informative. Dr. Gomathi, principal of Study World College, actually she shared direct experience. Actually, you know, she's such an pioneer of 25 years of experience, and she shared about engineering and its values and the current trends, scopes, everything. Also, we had Dr. Pranesh, also Mr. Ganesh, HODs of the EC, Electrical and Electronics Department, and about then about Computer Science Department, like that. It's a superb session. Then we have Mr. Sultan. He also put a light over the insights of engineering, also about Study World College of Engineering and the international groups and what we offers, like that. So it was a nice session. Also, from the audience part also, it's very interactive, and we got a superb idea about what is BE, Btech, the difference, like that. And definitely we will provide you the all recordings like that, so that you can share and discuss with your students, or with your, I mean, with your kids, children, child also. So it was a wonderful experience, and thank you very much for the active participation and the cooperation throughout the webinar, and wish you all the very best. May our students and may get real opportunities and like have a better career for them, and wish you all the very best to all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. It's a nice meeting.
Yeah, super, excellent.
Thank you everyone. Thanks for the opportunity and patient listening. Thank you, sir. Mhm.